You've been invited to collaborate in FigJam, and here you'll learn the basics so you're ready to jam with your team on project plans, flowcharts, and more. When you first access the file, you'll see all of the content your teammates have added to the board. You can navigate by scrolling around the file, by selecting the hand tool, then click and drag with your mouse or use 2 fingers on your trackpad to pan around the board. And you can zoom in and out from the top right corner or with keyboard shortcuts here. If you ever get lost in the file, you can click the avatar of your facilitator to follow them around the board. You may be asked to provide input or generate ideas on the board. If your board creator added placeholder stickies or objects, you can click into them to edit the existing text. If you want to add new ideas, add stickies by clicking in the sticky note in the toolbar and placing it on the board, or using the keyboard shortcut S. Then type your idea onto the sticky. If you want to add more free-form ideas, doodles, or writing, use the marker tool from the toolbar or the shortcut M. You'll see a variety of formatting options in the toolbar as well. You can also add images by copying and pasting them from Figma or another tool, or by dragging them onto the board. You can also add links to share other files. Another common way to engage in FigJam is to react to the content on the board. Start by adding stamps from the toolbar here, or with the shortcut E to show agreement, things you like, dislike, or other types of input. For synchronous sessions, you can use the emotes from the stamps wheel here, or the shortcut E again, to show how you feel in real time. When you have more to say than a stamp can convey, grab a sticker from the toolbar menu here by browsing or searching for a particular reaction. FigJam also makes it easy to connect with your team while jamming. When you're on a board with others, you can use the / shortcut or navigate to the emote wheel and select cursor chat for quick communications, reactions, or questions. If you want to celebrate or welcome a teammate, shake your cursor left or right, or hold the H key to send a high five to a teammate. And if you want to provide feedback or input on a specific object, add a comment from the comment button or the keyboard shortcut C. You can @mention specific teammates to bring them into the conversation directly. That's it. You now know how to use the FigJam tools to collaborate with your team. Get in there and happy jamming!